Molweni, sanibonani, sawubonani. I hope everyone is having a beautiful, beautiful weekend again. Welcome back to my channel. Siyambona ke uma K uyasibonisa ukubana hayi akuhamba bahamba sosala siyincenga sosala sibambe ngezandla zombili sosala sipresenta ama-business annually. She was sharing pictures showing us Bana she was at the 6th annual Women in Business talk. Yes, we can see Bana Haishem. She is progressing with her life, baby or no baby. Okanye she's pregnant, okanye she's not. Oksalayo, she keeps moving forward. Because I'm like Uma Kumalo, she's such a hard worker. She's so dedicated to doing such jobs because I feel like she's passionate about anything to do with women, to do with children. She loves it. She dearly loves it from the bottom of her heart. So when she do actually such things like women in business seminars and women in business talk, she actually enjoys it because you can see even the way she will gracefully post all these posts showing ukubana hayi guys, as women nje kwamele sibe yimbumba, kwamele sibambane. Uyatsho ke ukubana hayi, if I manage ukubana ndihlale ke with 3 women that I've considered my sisters, ngiyohlulwa yini nkosi yami. You can say she's showing us how beautiful she is. She always brings it on table. She always brings it. Like Uma Kumalo never disappoints with her outfit. She never disappoints him. Like I know she never disappoints. You can see even Umpilenhle also, because Umpilenhle also nae, like she takes up to Uma Kumalo. Like they know these girls Bana when they like let's go out, whether they are having casual or kind of like more of formality, she always brings it on. We are happy for you, Bana. She's having other things to get her mind off everything that was happening on his term. We don't know if everything that they put there, is it scripted, is it everything that happens in their day-to-day life, but she shows you what I know. She will keep moving forward. Because it gives you a purpose to live. Yeah. It gives you a purpose to live. This is why we love Uma Kumalo. I think out of all Musamsele's wives, I think like honestly speaking, I think she's my favorite. I don't mind Uma Tele, I don't mind Uma Yeni, Uma Ngwabe. Uma Kwela naye, she's so quiet nje, but Uma Kumalo, you can see Bana she's got her life out. She's got her life out there, and she shows love and passion and everything. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.